They see us studying psychology. They know that we're gonna learn the brain's anatomy. Gonna learn the brain's anatomy. Gonna learn the brain's anatomy. Gotta teach the brain's anatomy. Let's learn the brain's anatomy. We wanna pass the brain test, but right now we're gonna learn the brain's anatomy. Gonna learn the brain's anatomy. Gonna learn the brain's anatomy. Gotta teach the brain's anatomy. Let's learn the brain's anatomy.
First, the major lobes are where we start. There's 4 you remember, you study smart. Occipital lobe's the one that helps you see. With the front to make plans helps move and speak. Each side of the 4 lobes to hear some bustle. You feel in touch with parietal. Now that we've reviewed lobes of the brain some, we can move to the limbic system. Without this knowledge, you'd have a dilemma. You wouldn't even know the amygdala. Here, anger and fear stimulated. If it's not there, you would be elated. Hippocampus stores all my memories. It helps me remember this so much easier. Now they got that all down, let's make it more complex. Talking about the functions of a cortex. Cerebral cortex covers the brain. With this part, much info you will gain. Your motor cortex helps you move. Muscles you can use to get in the groove. Touch process in the sensory cortex. Sensations register when you jump or flex. Now in the visual cortex you sense if something is right or a force is dense.
They see us take notes all day. We have to learn about the brain's anatomy. Gotta learn the brain's anatomy. Gotta learn the brain's anatomy. Take notes on brain anatomy. We know our brain's anatomy. We wanna get a good grade. To do that we have to know the brain's anatomy. Gotta learn the brain's anatomy. Study notes on brain anatomy. We know our brain anatomy. Everyone knows brain anatomy.
Now let's move on a little more. Corpus close to me, you know what's in the corpus. Hemispheres is which you need it for. Pituitary gland helps you go tall. More higher function like you're remembering trivia. Association area. I know this areas really well. Helps me think out loud, makes us clear as a bell. When a key is understanding, when you comprehend it does it all. Takes a picture here, there is no stall. No one ever drops the ball. Yo! Angular gyrus and clap chords in an auditory format. Without that your brain really go flat. Whoa, hang on. Now we're really getting freaky.
The brain sends real basic things, survival stuff it brings. Thalamus is the short helps parts of the brain work as teams. Medulla helps to breathe, your heartbeat. Cerebellum helps coordinate your feet. Nerve network called reticular formation. Arousal control till now we're done. We're taking the test, we're passing. We know it's because we learned the brain's anatomy. Gotta learn the brain's anatomy. Gotta learn the brain's anatomy. Gotta teach the brain's anatomy. Now we know the brain's anatomy. We wanna hang with Miss Myers. We can't do that till we learn the brain's anatomy. Gotta learn the brain's anatomy. Now we know the brain's anatomy. Gotta teach the brain's anatomy. Everyone knows brain's anatomy.